What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Hannah. Welcome back to Let's Play with Hannah. So today, guys, so I kind of know about bonjour or la Julia. It means hey Jill. So that is my cousin's name, and also hola means for hi. So guys, I have no idea what am I saying right now. But if you really know Spanish and Korean and all the words, give a like and subscribe, and also comment down below what are you fluent. So guys, many people are literally liking the video and also subscribe to my channels. So we're in my next video. I am going to make a paper squishy. But it's gonna be a Kwame. We're gonna make it as tikis. But guys, we're gonna try to look like it as from Flow Paper Squishy since I'm just watching her video. So please like and subscribe for her so she can hit so many million subscribers. Guys, we're gonna try to make the design in my next video. Also guys, this is my blind bag poppet. I different them a little bit since I want to change them a little bit to look like something else. So okay, alright, so guys, here are my blind bags. So we got the rarities checklist, so we're gonna check that later. So I made it look like these. So my black marker doesn't work that much, so I just leave it for like a while, like about 2 hours or 3, guys. My marker doesn't work that much, so guys, you have to ignore that since I made it a whole while I'm coloring it because I don't have enough ink to do that. But I do have enough for the blind bag, and I made a cute design, and also we can easily get the legendary who has a yellow one. So yeah, now let's get to the other ones. So guys, one of them literally has a hole. I got 2 holes, 1 hole from each one of them. So this one is pretty normal, but guys, the pink color inside is a little bit too much lighty because guys, because when I was trying to color it, I don't have enough for my pink marker. It's because it is pink, I used it. And our last one is literally this one, but it has like a bigger hole. So please like and subscribe, please, if you will give me good luck. So it will be perfect. So guys, so I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put these right there about. Okay, so guys, I'm actually in my living room right now because I am not in my bedroom because I am still eating because it's the middle of the night. So guys, this is what the checklist looks like. So it looks like from Flow Paper Squishies. It's because I followed her design, but I made the sticker a little bit different, a donut, because guys, I really love donuts. And by the way, guys, it was pretty hard to make these. It's because it's like, okay, so it says Poppet Collection. The legendary one is like a Galaxy Poppet because it says they're Galaxy Poppet, so it gets 5%, so it's hard to get it. And we got the ultra rare one, so we literally have 3 of them. So we can either get 3 of them or a duplicate. We can either get 2 of these, or not that much for the rare one. It's because it's 5%. And the ultra rare one is an ice cream poppet, and the rare one is a rainbow poppet. So guys, which one of these packs will I get? Will I get a duplicate or nothing, or we can get the legendary? Guys, if I get the legendary, you will have to like and subscribe and comment down below what do you think am I gonna get? Am I gonna get a yes, but guys, it's kind of hard too. So my mom is gonna help with the eyes of the Kwani. It's because, but guys, we're gonna make it the whole body. So I hope Flo Paper Squishies is watching this because I like her so much because her creativity is so awesome. So, and also we followed her designs a little bit, but I made it different. But guys, these the puppet in the blind bags over there, they are not they're not the DIYs. Even in 3 packs, there's real puppets. It's because I love puppets so much, as well you guys, and I hope Flo Paper Squishies is watching this. It's because I love her videos so much, and I get a shout out from her. And if she subscribed to mine, and also make a video of mine of me telling to her that she gets a shout out from mine, even she didn't subscribe, and also like. So I hope she's literally watching this. I love this so much. By the way, guys, have you seen my video from the so this video hasn't been said that I opened 2 puppets. So my mom is coming in. So make sure to subscribe to my channel. Turn on notifications in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you didn't have, shout out to love puppet blind bags. And guys, in my next video, I will tell you how I make the puppet blind bags. But I don't have another puppet, so we might have to order one. So check that out. So adios, amigos. Woo!